Alright guys, the next thing, next piece of technology I want to show you um, is something that I found pretty recently that really helps me out, especially with some of my rowdier groups of kids. What this is like a classroom noise level visual for them, and it's like what's cool about it is how simple it is. I mean, it's just they have some bouncy balls that are sitting at the bottom of the screen, and then when you turn on your microphone, um, the microphone catches the voices in the room and kind of indicates how loud the room is. So here, I'm going to yell at you real quick, but say your kids, say you have this on and your kids get really loud, like, hey! See, it kind of starts to react to them, and if you put the sensitivity way up, um, it'll kind of make it so that it'll literally shush at them when they get too loud like it is right now. So I think it's pretty cool. It's a really efficient tool for me as far as I don't. It's just good for the kids to visually see how loud they are being. And what I found is a lot of times they'll be like, "Hey, knock it off! Look at the screen," and they'll kind of manage each other in that way. And so that's kind of cool. Something that I've been using quite a bit lately. At first, when you use it, your kids will probably they'll be taken aback and they'll act pretty goofy and they'll probably try to clap at it on purpose to get it to shush. But as long as you jump all over them when they do that, then it'll it'll work itself out. So anyway, kind of a cool little tool there. So thanks for watching.